Good morning, students. Today in SST we will continue chapter 7, Maps and its elements. Yesterday we studied about the continent and ocean. Today we will study about globe and maps. Yes, today we will read and understand about the globe and map. What is globe? A globe is a small model of the earth. Yes, on the globe we can see the north part, North Pole, south part, South Pole. Here one line we can draw, that is called the axis. That is called the axis. Okay, axis we can say that. And the axis is an imaginary line which passes through the two ends of the globe called the poles. That is North Pole, South Pole. Yes, globe you can make also. Now let us see about the merits of a globe. Merits of a globe. Merits means क्या अच्छी चीज़ें मैंने उससे क्या फ़ायदा हो सकता है हमें about the globe. Yes, it has the same shape as earth. It is the best way to see what the earth looks like. It shows us the correct shape, location and size of the continents and oceans. Okay. Now limitations of a globe. Limitations means क्या उसमें demerits है, कुछ कमी रह गई है. What is the lackness? It is difficult to carry it around. That means इतना बड़ा globe हम बनाएंगे तो we cannot take everywhere. Okay, difficult to carry. Second, we can see only half of the globe at one time, but when we have to turn, or if we will turn it around the axis, we can see the other parts also. Now globe cannot show smaller towns and landforms. Okay, छोटा जगह को वो नहीं दिखा पाता है. That's why there is the limitation. It cannot show us details of our city or our state. Okay, now let us we'll understand about the map. Map is one kind of drawing. Just I yesterday told you, a map is a flat drawing. Okay, map is a flat drawing on the paper, on the wall, or on the earth surface. So we draw the map representing the whole or part of an area on a flat surface. Okay, that is called the map. Here you can see the map of world and map of India. Map. Now let us see the next merits of maps. Merits means good things. Merits, what are the good things? Good things means what we can easily we can understand by the map. Map tell us in a very simple way the size and shape. Yes, we can make it bigger or we can make it smaller. A map may even show a smaller area with greater details. Yes, maps are easy to carry. हम अच्छा से उसको फोल्ड कर सकते हैं और उसको कहीं भी ले सकते हैं. ओके, maps are easy to carry anywhere. Okay, maps can show the locations of different features, mountains, deserts, forests, etc. Now the limitations of maps. कुछ कमी रह गई है. क्या उसमें मैप में क्या है? द अर्थ इज राउंड एंड ए राउंड सरफेस कैनॉट बी शोन एक्यूरेटली ऑन ए फ्लैट शीट ऑफ पेपर. Earth is round, but on the map sometimes we cannot understand accurately because Earth is round and paper is flat. Did you understand? This map is flat, in flat way. I think you understood about this because globe is more better for understanding about the earth, but for showing it is difficult. That means map, the globe, we can globe and maps are the same, but for understanding little bit different. The map cannot show the curved surface of the earth. Yes, this is limitation. Now, essential features of maps. Map title. About what you are making the map, you have to write, or we can see on the map on the top or on the bottom. Okay, on the top or on the bottom. Map scale. Map scale is must because map scale. By the map scale, we draw the map area. Okay. Map scale is the ratio of the distance between two places on a map and the actual distance between those places on the ground. Here, one ratio or one by 1000 means 1 centimeter is showing on the map. 1 centimeter distance of 1 centimeter on the map is equal to 1 kilometer on the actual ground. रियल ग्राउंड जमीन पर 1 किलोमीटर को है और वह मैप पर 1 सेंटीमीटर को दिखाता है. द मैप स्केल इज ऑफ 2 टाइप्स, लार्ज स्केल, स्मॉल स्केल. ओके, द लार्ज स्केल मैप, for example, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 kilometer. It is showing 1 kilometer clearly. Okay, but when we compare small scale map वो big area को 1 centimeter से दिखाता है. 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. Suppose 1 centimeter is equal to 100 kilometer. It is small scale map because very big area showing by 1 centimeter. Okay, that's why it is small scale. It is called small scale map. Okay, next, directions. There are 4 main directions: north, east, south, west. But in between there are 4 more directions. North, east. In between one more direction, northeast. Northwest. One more direction. In between there is northwest. Southeast. In between one more direction is southeast called. Southwest. In between southwest another direction. Or here also you can understand northeast. This is northeast direction. Okay, like that. East, south. In between southeast. Here west, south. In between southwest and northwest. Here northwest. This is northwest direction. So in total there are 8 directions we studied. Now let us see types of maps. There are 3 types of maps. Physical maps which show physical features like mountain, plateaus, oceans, rivers, lakes. This is called the physical map. जो अर्थ पर जो दिखाई देता है उनका जो मैप बनाते हैं, जो माउंटेन है, प्लेट्यू है, ओशन है, रिवर्स है, दैट इज कॉल्ड द फिजिकल मैप. पॉलिटिकल मैप्स शो द इंटरनेशनल बॉर्डर बाउंड्री दिखाता है, केवल बाउंड्री दिखाता है. एंड द फिजिकल मैप्स, द फिजिकल मैप्स में हम we use the different colors, we can use the different colors, but this political maps only show the boundaries of countries, continents, districts, states, cities, etc. Thematic maps, these are those maps that represent only particular features. Particular, that means only particular area about what you are going to show or draw or other. What is your theme? आपको क्या दिखाना है according to your theme, according to your target. Okay, suppose about the weather you want to draw, that is called the thematic. Forest, industries, people, population, minerals, etc. like that. That is called the thematic map. Okay students, today this much only. On Monday we will meet, and on Monday again we will meet. Okay, thank you students.